So, hello my algebras, hello my friends of calculus learners. We come here with a quick learning video about second derivatives. Wait, give me a second. What are second derivatives? They are basically the prime of our first derivative. Here is the explanation through a basic formula. We have the value fx. We get its prime and therefore our derivative through differentiation. But if we get the prime of that differentiation we already done, then we're getting our second derivative. Let's get an example. We have the value 5x to the cubic power. So we get our prime and it will be 15x2. So remember, here we multiply and the exponent we make a subtraction of -1. And later, with this value, we're gonna get another derivative, which is our, of course, second derivative. So 2 times 15, 30, which gives us x. So that is an example of a second derivative. Let's make it with a more complex value. Let's continue, guys. So imagine 3x to the power of 2 plus 2x. So we will get our first derivative, which is 6x plus 2, right? But what happens here? We need to get another prime. So we do again a new differentiation. So we differentiate 6 and x, which will be 6, and the 2, which doesn't have a variable, becomes 0. So therefore this will be our second derivative. So as easy as that is our new topic. I hope you like it, guys. It's a quick lesson for you to be quick learners, more efficient, and for you to get and expand that knowledge. So have a nice day and let's continue with our lessons. For this one there will not be a worksheet, as I know you're experts, and for you to have more time to practice the following topics that will be more difficult. Have a nice day.